So let's take a look at 259. And what we see is we want to express everything as a power of 4. So what we might do is start out as just getting everything as a power of 2 and trying that. That would be one strategy. So we say, okay, we've got 2 to the 5th times 2 to the 3rd 3 times 2 to the 4th. So 16 is 2 to the 4th twice. Okay. So what does that equal? Remember, so that's 2 to the 5th times 2 to the 3rd times 2 to the 3rd times 2 to the 3rd. So we were cubing it, so that'll be 2 to the 9th times 2 to the 4th times 2 to the 4th. So that'll be 2 to the 8th. So we have 2 to the 9th and 2 to the 8th and 2 to the 5th. So if we add all those together conveniently, what do we get if we're multiplying? Sorry, we're multiplying together so we can add them. So we get 2 to the 5 plus 9 plus 8, which equals 2 to the 22nd. Okay, so that's a little bit easier way to do it rather than going to fourths immediately. Because of this term, you can't make into a power of 4 as easily. Okay, so now you can know, so you can say, well, what is like that? So 4 equals 2 squared. So how can you have 2, what power can you raise 2 squared to some power n equals 2 to the 22nd? Well, it looks like 11, right? So if we make n 11, so if we say 2 squared to the 11th power equals 2 to the 22nd, 2 to the 22nd, right? But 2 squared, that 2 squared is just 4. So 4 to the 11th is our answer.